Today, I am Serfi de Guzman, 18 years old, a fresh graduate of Ladder's education program for Bachelor of Science in Computer Science. I am applying for the position of data encoder which we had posted at the Pacific Public College. I had my on-the-job training experiences as PC operator in Excel SMC Tilipa from November 7, 2007 to January 7, 2008, and as a computer hardware maintenance in PC Chain Superstore at Mataas na Lupa, Lipa City from August 24, 2008 to January 15, 2009. The management team of those companies gave me the opportunity to learn more and done a different hardware and software applications as well. On the said experiences, they guided me and gave me some tasks as the part of my training there. And as a matter of fact, I passed it all. I have got 100% grades in Excel SMC Tilipa and 92 grades in PC Chain Superstore. Now, I have the capabilities to know the full cycle and troubleshooting of a personal computer application. I am also good in English writing and communicating. I love to write an essay or any article and put some interesting ideas there to catch the attention of my readers. Writing is one way of communicating, and I am sure I have met one of the requirements as data encoder. I do believe that my strong technical experiences and education will make me a very competitive candidate for this position. Please see my resume for additional information about on my experiences. I may be contacted anytime through my cell phone number 0929781293, or you can also send an email to me at bigusman.claire@yahoo.com. I am looking forward to speaking with you regarding this employment opportunity. Thank you.